Welcome to another chapter of the AedisPro Tutorial Series. In this chapter, we will be looking at working with files in AedisPro. We will cover everything you need to know to manage your project files effectively. Let's get started. To access your project files, open your project and select the Files tab. Before you can start your works, you will need to upload your project files. Let's look at how to upload project files. Click the Upload Files button. This opens the Upload panel. From here, you can upload individual files or upload an entire folder. Before we start uploading, let's create a folder first. Keeping your files organized will make them easier to manage later. To create a folder, click Create Folder. The Create Folder dialog will appear. Enter a name for the folder, then click Save. If you open a folder first, any files you upload will be added to that folder automatically. This makes it easy to keep your project files well organized. To upload individual files, click Select Files. You can select one or multiple files in a single upload. To upload an entire folder, click Select Folder. Please note, when multiple files are selected, it will ask for confirmation. Your project files are now in place. You can begin working with them whenever you are ready. Now let's look at AI file processing. For AedisPro AI assistants to work with your files, they first need to be processed for semantic search. If AI search is enabled, all uploaded project files will be queued automatically for processing. Once processing is complete, your AI assistants can search and understand the contents of those files. If AI search is disabled, your files will not be processed. As a result, AI features for the project will be limited. If you enable AI search after uploading your files, they won't be processed automatically. Instead, you'll need to queue each file manually. You can monitor the processing status next to each file. A status of processed means the file is ready for AI search. A status of excluded means AI search is disabled for the project. A status of failed means the file couldn't be processed. To perform takeoffs, you will first need to create markups. Takeoffs cannot be performed directly on project files. Instead, they are carried out on markups created from PDF pages. Let's look at the first method. Open your PDF file. Navigate to the page you want to use. Click Create Markup. The Create Markup dialog will appear. Enter a markup name. Add a label. You can also add a description if needed. Then click Save. Once the markup has been created, open the Markups tab. Your new markup will appear in the list. Simply open it to begin your takeoff. Now let's look at the second method. This method lets you create multiple markups in one operation. Select the PDF file using its checkbox. Once selected, the Create Markups button will become active. Click it to open the Create Markups drawer. The drawer displays a preview of every page. First, choose a naming option. Select Auto to generate names automatically, or enter a custom prefix for markup names and labels. Next, select the pages you want to convert into markups. When you're ready, click Create Markups. This will create a separate markup for each selected page. Your markups will then be available in the Markups tab, ready for takeoffs. Now that you've created your markups, let's look at the tools available to manage them. Each markup includes an Actions menu on its thumbnail. Click the menu to view the available options. Select Details to open the Markup Details drawer. Here, you can view all the information related to the markup. Select Update to open the Update Markup dialog. From here, you can edit the markup name, label, and description. If you no longer need a markup, select Delete. Before deleting, make sure the markup doesn't contain any measurement elements. Deleting a markup cannot be undone. However, any existing measurement elements won't be deleted automatically. They'll remain in the project until they're removed separately. Finally, you'll also see the Export option. We'll cover exporting markups in a separate chapter. That concludes this chapter on working with files in AedisPro. In this tutorial, you learned how to upload and organize project files. You also learned how AI file processing works and why it's important for AI-powered features. We then covered how to create markups using both single and batch creation methods. Finally, we explored the essential tools for managing your markups. You should now have everything you need to confidently manage project files and prepare them for the takeoff process. Thanks for watching. See you in another AedisPro tutorial.